Hello, my name is Paul. I'm an automotive technician. Been one for decades. I decided to take it. Decided I'm tired of dragging that air hose around, and decided I wanted to take a chance with a cordless ratchet because I figured the lithium-ion batteries, with the technology we have nowadays, that they could probably make a pretty decent one. I searched the web for a whole day. I could not find any videos that convinced me that these guys were mechanics or anything every day of their life. They would take apart bolts that look clean as a whistle, like on a seat belt of a golf cart or something. Great guys though. But anyway, so I decided to make a video that would help my fellow mechanics out to decide if they wanted one or not. So I purchased the Milwaukee 2457-21, and it has 35 foot-pounds of torque. So far, I love it. I wish that it had 10 foot-pounds more of torque, though.
Yeah, that sucks.
Level.